So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I'll teach you how to create new style of CGI and VFX advertising animation with using After Effects and Blender. See guys, that's my really cool animation, right? See guys, firstly, it's my some objects product, and second one, so guys, I show you my banner. See guys, that's my dynamic cloth banner animation. So click on here, the final render preview. Yeah, it's good. So guys, that's my objects and it's my banner advertising animation. Okay, so guys, go to on 0 frame, and guys, I show you my 1 frame render. See guys, that's my final render. It's looking really beautiful. Guys, I'm using only 2 add-on. Firstly, Blender Kit add-on, and second one, see guys, that's my Sketchfab. You can download this Sketchfab add-on. It's depending on your work, right? Don't worry, it's free. So go to on here. See guys, that's my After Effect only for tracking. So play, yeah, right? Okay, so now guys, you can use this time JSON script, and this one, it's my AE2 blend add-on, but JSON script is free. So go to on here and I create new project check, select all and press delete key. So go to on here. See guys, that's my After Effect tracking. As a last tutorial guys, stop. Guys, you can download this clip, link in description, and second one, you can download all project file from my website free. So guys, now go to on here, transform, select top 4 position and copy, and go to on here and create plane check, and go to on again this time camera, position and orientation, copy, again go to on Blender and create camera check, yeah, and press 0 for camera. And now guys, I increase frame starting from 1 second, and lastly guys, double click on this camera, focal length copy, and go to on here. So guys, see, that's my focal length, paste, yes, and go to on here background image. So guys, I apply same movie clip. So guys, go to on here, select this one and apply, yeah, and see guys, that's my 25 fps. So go to on here, and also guys, opacity 100% check, and go to on here frame rate 25 fps, and change render setting cycle render, and device GPU check, and guys, now sample like a 256. So go to on here film and transparent check. So go to on color management and use view transform all extended. Yeah, that's it guys, it's my tracking data. Okay, so guys, also I increase frame. So guys, select this camera and last frame, select this one, and last frame is 563, enter, yes. So guys, go to back and play, yeah. See guys, that's my simple tracking data, right? And now guys, I increase this one flow, select this one flow and increase like this, and guys, little bit back, yeah, press 0, yes, good. And guys, now next one, I apply firstly hamburger. So guys, I use Blender Kit add-on, so type burger, yeah, and see guys, that's my different style of objects. So but guys, I like this one, this is fit for my work, and it's my realistic view. Apply and change guys location like this. So guys, select this hamburger and increase size like this, yeah, perfect, and click on here. Okay, so guys, now this time I apply some shadow effector. So guys, select this flow, so go to on here and visibility and shadow catcher check, and now guys, go to on here, it's my world property, and I apply HDRI texture. So open, and guys, this is HDRI image, so apply, yeah, perfect, and increase strength like a 1.2 is good for me, yes, right? Okay, so now guys, go to on back, and here guys, select this hamburger and go to on back here, yes. And now guys, I apply this time Coke, yeah, I like this one. So click and go to on here. So guys, select this object and increase size more, yeah, and apply on here like this, and guys, little bit rotate, select this one and rotation change, Yeah, perfect. And now guys, I apply french fries and again go to on blender kit and type french fries. Enter. See guys, it's good. This one. So select this one. Yeah. And drag and drop, unlink. So guys, select this object and increase size. More. Yeah. And guys, also rotate like this and position change. So go to on here and front. Yes, and guys go to on top view panel. So guys, little bit front. Yes, press 0 for camera. Yeah, perfect. See guys, that's my composition. It's looking really beautiful, right? And guys, select your hamburger and little bit closer. Yes, great. And now guys, I create hamburger position animation. So guys, go to like 100 frames. And hamburger position all check. See guys, that's my Z1. I create Z1 position. So guys, Z1 check on 100 frames and go to on back like a 1 frame. And Z1 position go to an up like this. Yeah, like a 10 and check. Yes. So guys, go to on back and play. Yeah, it's good. See guys, that's my simple movement animation. And guys, go to like a 150. So guys, go to an up. I like a Z2 and check. So guys, go to like a 200 frames and Z1 I like 0. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, now check. So guys, copy this frame like a 150 to 200 frames. So copy, go to like a 250 frames and paste. Yes, simple. 350 frame paste. And lastly 450 and paste. Yes. So click on here and guys, now go to back. Okay, also guys, color material, random color check. I like random colors. See guys, that's my really cool animation. Yeah, amazing. See guys, that's my simple idle animation position. Okay, so guys, also I create rotation animation. So guys, go to on here hamburger starting from 1 second and rotation check this one. So rotation 0 check and lastly like a 1440 and rotation check. Yes. So guys, go to back and play. Yeah. See guys, that's my simple rotation animation and position animation. Yeah. Okay, so guys, my hamburger animation is good. So guys, now next step, I apply product logo. For logo, guys, go to on here and see guys, that's my Sketchfab add-on and active add-on check. Yeah. And guys, select this one, search and type McDonald logo. Yeah. So guys, it's my McDonald logo. So apply and import model check. Yes. So guys, I increase logo size and increase more. So go to an up like this. Yeah. And little bit depth change. So guys, go to on here, depth change like this. Yeah, good. So press 0 for camera and click on here. It's my render preview. Yes. And guys, little bit down. Yeah, good. See guys, that's my composition. Right. And guys, press 0. So guys, rotate your logo. So like a 90 and logo rotation change. Like this. And also position change. Yeah. This position is perfect for me. Right? See. It's good. And now, guys, my composition looking really beautiful and play. Yes. Okay. So guys, my composition is finished. And now guys, I apply cloth dynamic animation, banner animation. So stop. So guys, now I create new collection check this one and go to on here file. So guys, I apply helicopter 3D model. Guys, don't worry, you can download this helicopter model from my website, it's free. So select and append and collection check. Yes. See guys, that's my helicopter model. So also guys, now next one, select this one collection and go to on here curve and I apply circle. Use circle and increase circle size. Circle size increase like this. Yeah. So guys, now next one, select this circle and holding shift key and select helicopter model and press Ctrl P. Yeah. See, that's my path constraint check. Yes. See, that's my path. Okay, so guys, select this one. Go to on here and select this one. Okay, so guys, select this helicopter 3D model and go to on here. So guys, play check. Okay, so guys, it's not animate. So guys, path animation check. Yes, go to unpack and play. But guys, not apply on path. So go to on here and follow curve path check and play. Yes, good. And also guys, I change scale size. So guys, select this helicopter 3D model, scale size change like this, and again go to back and play. Okay, also guys, I change speed. It's too much faster. So guys, select this circle and go to on here path animation. See guys, that's my frame. Frame are like 600 check and go to on back and play. Yeah, good. See guys, that's my helicopter model. And guys, now next one, I apply this time banner. So guys, for banner, so firstly guys, I like this time cylinder and change cylinder vertex like a 50 and radius 0.07. Yes, and depth 2.5. Yeah. And guys, now go to on top view panel, apply to on here. So guys, apply on here. Yes, good. Yeah, perfect. Okay, also guys, now I apply plane for cloth, plane check, and guys, plane size rotation change like this, like a 90, and press 1. Okay, 1, and go to on here and increase scale size. Scale size like a 3.5 is good, 3.5, and increase little bit size like a 1.2 and attach on here. Yes, perfect, right? Okay, also go to on top view panel and change position. Apply on here. Okay, it's good. Go to on here. Yes, perfect. See, that's my simple composition. Okay, so now guys, select this one and I apply more segments and also guys, create parenting. So for guys, firstly create parenting. So select this one, empty object. It's my helicopter 3D model. Select and holding shift key. Holding shift key, select this cylinder and guys, press Ctrl P and use this one, object keep transform check. Yes. So guys, again play. Yeah, it's my parenting. And now guys, this time select this plane and go to on here, drag and drop this object. Yeah, and play. Yes. See guys, I create parenting, right? See, I create parenting. Okay, so guys, all is good. And now this time I apply cloth effect. So for cloth, go to on here, edit mode and select this one. That's my selection and right click, use this time loop cut and enter. So guys, number of cut increase like a 2 is good, 2, and guys, select this vertex, select all and right click, subdivided and subdivided number like a 30. Yes, perfect. Okay, so guys, click on here. Guys, all is good. And now after guys, select this one, it's my vertex and go to on here data and see, that's my vertex group check. Create grouping and assign check. Yes, that's it guys. So go to on object mode and now guys, I change position. So guys, to on camera. So click on here. So guys, this time select the circle and change also position like this. Okay, so guys, go to back and guys, now starting on my left side. So guys, rotate your circle, rotate like this. Yeah, good. And play. Yes, see guys, I create animation like this, right? It's good. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so guys, now next one, I apply this time cloth dynamic effect. So guys, select this one and go to on here, cloth check. So guys, all setting is good. So catch and frame rate, same frame rate, 563, enter, and go to on here, shape and pin group. I like this one, this my group. So this one and self collision check. So go to on here, field, weight, guys, gravity, I like 0, yes. And go to on up and see guys, that's my bake. Guys, also select this for circle and little bit smaller, little bit. Yes. And go to on here. So guys, I create baking. So bake all dynamic check. See guys, that's my cloth baking. It's take a little bit time. Okay, so guys, my baking is finished and play. Yes. Perfect. See guys, that's my cloth dynamic animation. It's good. Okay, so guys, also I apply this time texture. So for texture, go to on here and shading check. So press camera, yeah, and create new material. So guys, select this one, principal BSDF, press Ctrl T. Guys, I already create banner. See, that's my banner and apply. Okay, see. Okay, so now guys, rotate this banner, Z1, yeah, like a 180, Y-axis, like a 180, yeah, perfect. Okay, so guys, my composition is finished and go to on layout. And guys, I show you my one frame render. So render image check. Okay, so guys, my one frame render is finished. So close and go to on compositing. So use node check. So firstly guys, apply shift A and use alpha over, connect to second one. So shift A. So guys, use movie clip and go to on here. So guys, apply same movie clip. So select and connect to first one, alpha over. And again shift A, so use viewer, so connect to viewer, alpha over to viewer, check, yes. See guys, that's my composition. Press V for smaller and go to on here. Guys, also this time I apply simple sunlight. So go to on here and light and use sunlight. So guys, it's my top view light, yeah, is good. And go to on here, light setting, guys, strength 1 is good, angle like a 20, yes. For more soft shadow and press 0, yes. And now guys, go to on here, here frame rate is good. And see guys, that's my output for final render preview. So guys, I create new folder and take any file name like a 1, yeah, accept, check, yes. So guys, go to on back and render animation check. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final work is finished. So guys, if you like my video, please share and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, you can download this all project file from my website free. Thank you.